Dewy skin, glass skin, glowy skin. A lot of persons want this, including myself. We all want this, especially in this season where everywhere is so dry and ashy. You know, there's this subtle glow that comes with your skin when it's looking healthy. That is what I'll be curating for you, a routine I'll be giving you that will make someone look at your face and like, I'm noticing something different. I don't know what it is, but your face is looking so subtle and healthy. That is what I'll be giving you in today's video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Patience Sehidiamen. I'm a registered nurse and a registered mental health nurse who's passionate about skincare. In today's video, I'll be telling you or giving you a curated routine that you can use consistently and achieve a glowing, dewy, beautiful skin that you desire. So if this sounds like you, then just keep watching. Talking about dewy skin means your face is looking more radiant. You know, your skin is looking more radiant, plump, hydrated. In fact, the umbrella term I'll just use is your skin is looking healthy, because perfect is far from it. No skin is perfect. Perfect skin does not exist. It doesn't. We have to be frank with ourselves. Sometimes you have some irregularities, you have some concerns like your dark spot. It comes once in a while. There's nothing like a perfect skin, but we want a healthy skin that is plump, hydrated, glowing, radiant, and beautiful. That is what we want, right? In this video, I'm going to build a routine for you. If you are consistent with this routine over time, you're going to see that result of a dewy, healthy, and a radiant skin. Okay, if you are consistent with this routine I'll be talking about in today's video, you're going to achieve that over time. It's not a miracle. You have to be consistent with this routine. Put this into practice and tweak it in a way that suits your skin type and your skin length. So let's just dive right into this routine. You're going to have our morning routine and our night routine, but I'm just going to focus mainly on the morning routine. I'm going to give you the night routine too, but let's just focus mainly on the morning routine because this is where the work is. Okay, in your morning routine, you're going to have your cleansers. Now, there's a debate on this facial wash when it comes to washing our face. There's this debate that there's really no scientific backing to washing your face twice a day. And there's something I have been doing really. I've been washing my face just once in a day, in the evening. Then in the morning, what I just do is to wash my face just with water. And it has been helping me, considering the fact that the weather is so dry, this harmattan season. And for those of us that have a dry skin type, it's not working in our favor. So what I just do this morning is I just wash my face with water, and it's really making my face plump and hydrated. It's as if I'm just kind of minimizing the extent at which I stress my skin. Do you get me? Okay, enough of all the rambling. You can just clean your face in the morning, depending now on your skin type. You choose your facial cleansers depending on your skin type. If you have a dry skin, you want to opt for hydrating cleansers that contains high hyaluronic acid and all of that. And if you have oily skin, you want to go for cleansers that are the foaming cleansers or cleansers that contains salicylic acid. And if you have the combination skin, you cannot play around with any of these two. Okay, so that's what you do first. After that, you want to now go in with your serums. In that serum, it depends on what you are trying to target. Treatment serums depend on your specific skin concerns. If you are on the type that you want even skin tone, brighter skin tone, improve your collagen production, you now want to work towards the use of vitamin C. And because vitamin C is really a finicky ingredient, I would say use it on a dry skin. It will just absorb directly into your skin without being affected by other products in that routine. So in your morning routine, you just wash your face. After that, you go in with your vitamin C serum. After that, you can now top it up with a hydrating serum. Now this is where the real deal is. Our hydrating serum or essence, we have to layer them because we want to achieve that dewy, remember, the dewy glazed radiant skin. So we want to layer our hydrating serums. Now these hydrating serums comes in varieties. They have different ingredients that can give you this result. So the ingredients you want to look out for in these hydrating serums are hyaluronic acid. You want to look out for panthenol, you want to look out for beta glucan, you want to look out for polyglutamic acid, you want to also look out for glycerin. These are hydrating ingredients that will give you that plump, glowing, and give you that radiant skin. They kind of help your skin reduce water loss, so it kind of retain moisture. And you know, when your skin retains moisture, it makes your skin plump, and that being plump makes it glowing. Are you getting the gist? That being plump make it down glowing, radiant, and glossy or glazed. All right, so that is what we want. And the product I absolutely love and will also recommend for you to try out, one of them, which is one of my absolute fave, is the Hydrating Serum. This one contains 5 different types of hyaluronic acid. It is super hydrating. I love this essence so much. It's a staple in my routine, plus the fact that it's so affordable for its size. I'll put it here so you see it. It's quite affordable. It is super hydrating. Now another serum you can also try out that also has these hydrating properties is the Torridine Diving Low Molecular Serum. This one is also amazing. It has gotten good reviews. It also contains hyaluronic acid. Then there's this other one, but this one is a little bit pricey. It's the one from Vichy. It has hyaluronic acid, has a little bit of panthenol in it, spring water. It's also super hydrating. Now for the toner, this toner from Anna, you know, it has this milky texture that also give you this hydrating plump benefit. The one from Anna, sorry, Anna has this. The tea tree has, am I pronouncing that right? Tea tree. I'm going to put it here. It's a milky toner. Laneige, am I getting this correctly? Laneige also has this serum, so I'm gonna put this here. Any of this serum will give you the benefits of hydration. They will hydrate your skin super good. So you're going to layer this. I'm not saying get all of this one. Obviously you cannot get all of this, so you just get according to your budget, according to your preference. Okay, you can just get 1 or 2. In my routine, I use the Hadelibu and the Anua. Sometimes when I don't get Hadelibu, I get the Torridine. So it depends on what works for you. All right. So that is what you do in your serum. So after applying that, then you now want to go in with your moisturizer. And another key thing you want to do is your sunscreen, a moisturizing sunscreen. We want to get that, remember, that dewy glowing effect this season. And the moisturizer I would recommend for you that has these properties also is the one from Uncover. The Uncover sunscreen is super amazing. It contains aloe, and you know aloe vera has that soothing and hydrating property. Okay, that one is good. You can also use the one from Anna. The Anna also has hyaluronic acid that also hydrates your skin. Now when you use this routine I just listed for you, from that morning till the end of the day, you can still see that glowing glass radiant skin on your face. All right, so that should be your morning routine. If you have textured skin, all these products you might just layer them, even layer your makeup, and you see your face is not looking radiant as you want, because everything is really not coming together due to these texture irregularities you have. So what I'll advise you to do is to manage that texture first, and that is why I'll be recommending 2 products for you to use, so that when you layer this in the morning, everything can just fit in. You know, when you're putting your product together, for instance, when you're doing your makeup, you're putting your foundation, you're putting your contour, you're putting your bronzer, you're putting your blush. You see the way everything will just align and just give your cheek that raise. Do you understand what I'm saying? Everything will just marinate itself together to give you that calm, glowing look. That is what I want. That is why we want you to fix that texture first, so that when you layer this product in the morning, you will just have that, everything will just be together. Everything will just be working as you want it to. So for that texture, I would say use an exfoliant and retinoid. Okay, now you will use exfoliant depending on your skin type. If you have an oily skin, you will go for salicylic acid or mandelic acid. And if you have a dry skin, you will go for lactic acid or glycolic acid. So these are the exfoliants you want to use. And your exfoliants, remember, you use your exfoliant 2 times a week or 3 times a week, depending on how your skin tolerates that particular exfoliant. Then you use your retinoids as well. Your retinoids, you can also use either 2 to 3 times in a week, depending on how your skin tolerates this ingredient. So when you do this in the morning, you now top up those your products with your hydrating product. Tell me why your skin will not be dewy. Tell me why your skin will not be radiant. It will. Okay, so another thing you want to put into consideration after all this is in-clinic procedures. In-clinic procedures are amazing. You see those your skincare influencers and all of that. You see them with this glassy, glowing skin. They advertise products for you and they tell you this product does amazing. I'm not saying this product does not do anything. They do that, but to give them a boost, you need to do some in-clinic procedures. And that is where I would recommend either the chemical peel or microneedling. Now, depending on what, after your esthetician has seen your face, depending on what they now recommend for you, depending on how your face is, your skin is, they will recommend the procedure that best suits you. For instance, now we are in the Harmattan season in Nigeria. I would definitely not recommend someone to go for a chemical peel at this time. The weather, because the downtime will not be so good. Everywhere is so hot right now, so I would not even recommend a chemical peel. But this is a procedure that you can do. You know, when you go for a chemical peel, there's some of your skin that's going to be shed off physically, like your skin will peel off. It will peel, it will go, you will peel them out. So new skin cells are going to like regenerate and come up, and there's every possibility that when those new skin cells are coming up, it's going to reveal an even skin tone, a glowing skin. So when you go for a chemical peel and you now add this routine I just gave you, people are going to ask you on the road, there's something different about your skin. It's just glowing, it's just beautiful, and you will know the secret too. You will know that you have done something and it's showing. So that's the essence of this chemical peel. It will give a boost to this product, to any skincare product you use if you go for in-clinic procedures. Same thing with your microneedling. If you go for microneedling, it will make your product penetrate deeper into your pores, deeper into your skin cells, and make them work better as compared to how it was working before. It will be working before, but when you do these procedures, it will give them like another boost to work better. All right, so these are the 2 procedures I would highly recommend you do to have this glass, glowing and radiant skin. Now that I've given you this recipe on what you can do to achieve this glowing and glass skin, it's now up to you which one you can implement and be consistent with to achieve these results that you need. The thing I'm going to tell you is, which is the honest truth, to achieve a glowing, glazed, radiant skin, you need to marry topical product with in-clinic procedures. That's the honest truth, and that is what is going to give you the utmost results that you need. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if it has, please give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye.